In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up for Constant Contact Affiliate Program. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Constant Contact Affiliate Program page. It is important to use the official website so you are viewing the correct application process and the most current program details. Once the page loads, take a moment to review the basic information about the affiliate program. This can help you understand how the program works, what kind of promotions are allowed, and what you may be able to earn from qualified referrals. When you are ready to continue, look for the Join or Apply button on the page. Click it to open the affiliate application form. This form will ask for your basic personal details, along with information about your business or platform. You may also be asked how you plan to promote Constant Contact. Fill out each section carefully and make sure the information you provide is accurate and complete. Clear and honest answers can help the review process go more smoothly. After you have finished the form, submit your application. At that point, the affiliate team will review it. This review is used to confirm that your promotional methods match their brand guidelines and program requirements. In most cases, this simply means they want to make sure your website, blog, or social media content is appropriate and aligned with their standards. During this stage, you will need to wait for their decision, so keep an eye on your inbox for any updates regarding your application status. If your application is approved, you will receive the login details needed to access your affiliate dashboard. This dashboard is where you will manage your affiliate activity. Once you sign in, take some time to explore the available tools and resources. Inside the dashboard, find your unique tracking links and any promotional banners that are provided. These materials are important because they allow Constant Contact to track referrals that come from your content. Make sure you use your assigned links rather than a regular website link. Otherwise, your referrals may not be credited correctly. Once you have your links, you can start promoting them on your website, blog, or social media channels. Place them in relevant content where they fit naturally and are useful to your audience. This gives you the best chance of earning commissions on qualified referrals. That covers everything you need to know.